Ayan. Sino na sa inyo ang nakasakay dati sa isang bangka? Wala bang makasakay ng bangka dito? Sino? Sino? Si Kuya. Saan ka pumunta? Yung sumakay ka ng bangka, Kuya? Wala daw. Wala ngayon, tayo ay sasakay sa isang bangka. Pero sa kasamaang palad, dumating ang malalakas na alon, malalakas na hangin, at ang malalakas na bagyo. Ngayon, ang ating bangka ay unti-unti nang inaanod at tayo ay lumulubog na sa dagat. Kaya naman, kailangan natin magbawas ng ano? Pasahero. Magbabawas tayo ng pasahero, okay? Kapag sinabi ko, the boat is sinking, sasabihin ninyo, what shall we do? Sige daw, the boat is sinking, the boat is sinking.
What shall we do?
Gagawin nyo natin to group yourselves. Sige nga, group yourselves into two. Group yourselves into two. 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 Okay. Two. Ayan, is. Okay. Kung wala kang kagrupo, ibig sabihin, matatanggal ka. Kaya dapat bibilisan mo para hindi ka maalas sa ating game. Okay? So we are here 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Okay? One big circle tayo ulit. Okay. So, naiintindihan ba ang game? Tsaka nag-enjoy na ba kayo? Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga kids over here. Ayan. The boat is sinking, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves down into 4. Moving 4. 8. Mama. Mama ito. Mama Alira. Ayan po. Ito lang. One big circle sa inyo. The boat is sinking, the boat is sinking. Sabay. The boat is sinking, the boat is sinking. Help yourselves now into 5. 5. Okay, lima sila dyan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isa dito, bilis! Isa! Para! Okay, tayo na lang one big circle. There. Okay, dito sa gitna. Okay, the boat is sinking, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3. Tatlo! Isa dito, isa! Bye-bye, baby Julia! Okay, Julia, okay, dito lang. One big circle, line na lang sila. The boat is sinking, the boat is sinking! Group yourselves into 5, 5! Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, lima na lang, one big circle. The boat is sinking, the boat is sinking! Group yourselves into 1. Group yourselves into 2. Ayan, ikaw lang ang boy eh. Okay, aman na yun. The boat is sinking, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 4. Minus 1 equals 3. Group yourselves into 3. Paalisin ang isa, pinaalis ika. Okay, Ron. Palakpakan natin si Christine, si Yasmin, at si birthday girl Shai. Palakpakan naman dyan. Okay, palakpakan naman dyan marami. Your prize. Okay, ladies, your prize doon. Go. Okay, very good. Next game natin. Umilang ako din. This one. Okay.